Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to avail Audible coupons. First, let's talk about finding those great deals. Keep an eye on your email inbox for special offers directly from Audible. Also, make sure to visit the official Audible website regularly, as they often feature promotions right on their homepage. Don't forget to check reputable coupon sites too, as they can sometimes have exclusive codes. Once you've found a fantastic coupon, applying it is straightforward. Begin by adding the audiobook you wish to purchase to your shopping cart. Then, navigate to the checkout page. You'll typically find a dedicated field labeled promo code or coupon code somewhere on this page. Carefully type or paste your code into this box, ensuring there are no extra spaces. After entering your code, click the Apply button to activate the discount. It's crucial to then confirm that the price has been adjusted correctly before completing your purchase. Look for the updated total, which should reflect your savings. If the coupon doesn't seem to work, take a moment to review its terms and conditions and ensure it hasn't expired or been used previously. To avoid any issues, always read the fine print of your coupon. Pay close attention to expiration dates and any specific requirements, like minimum purchase amounts or eligible titles. Remember, some coupons are exclusive to new members or particular promotions. If you've followed all the steps and your coupon still isn't working, don't hesitate to reach out to Audible's customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.